Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to check your vehicle's wheel bearings. Wheel bearings are an important component of your car's suspension and drivetrain, and it's crucial to keep an eye on their condition to ensure your safety and the smooth operation of your vehicle. What are wheel bearings? Wheel bearings are the components that allow your car's wheels to spin freely and smoothly. They're located inside the wheel hub, and they consist of an inner race, an outer race, and a set of rolling balls or rollers. Over time, these bearings can wear out, leading to a variety of issues that you'll want to address. Signs of worn wheel bearings: rumbling, whirring, or growling noises coming from the wheels. Vibration or looseness in the steering wheel. Uneven tire wear. Difficulty steering or a wandering feeling on the road. How to check wheel bearings. Park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Safely raise the vehicle using jack stands or a hydraulic car lift. Grab the top and bottom of the tire and try to rock it back and forth. If there's any noticeable play or movement, that's a sign of a worn wheel bearing. Spin the tire and listen for any grinding, rumbling, or whirring noises. These are also indicators of a problem with the wheel bearing. Check the temperature of the wheel hub. If it's significantly hotter than the other wheel hubs, that could mean the bearing is failing. Replacing wheel bearings. If you discover that your wheel bearings are worn, it's important to have them replaced as soon as possible. This is a job that's best left to a professional mechanic, as it requires specialized tools and expertise. Attempting to replace wheel bearings yourself can be dangerous and lead to further damage if not done correctly. Conclusion: regularly inspecting your vehicle's wheel bearings is an important part of routine maintenance. By catching any issues early, you can avoid more serious and costly problems down the road. Remember, if you notice any of the warning signs we discussed, it's best to have your car inspected by a qualified technician right away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. How does this script look? I tried to cover the key points about wheel bearings, including what they are, the signs of wear, how to check them, and when to have them replaced. Let me know if you have any other feedback or if you'd like me to modify anything.